Hey Bilal, how are you? Welcome to Real Life with Rida Khan.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
It's great to speak to you today, Bilal. Bilal, my first question to you is that you've always said that you love acting. You know, for you, you started in theatre and you purely love acting, and it's not about being famous for you. And you know, in today's day and age, for a lot of people, especially the youth, they're chasing fame and it's about the fame game for them. So, how does that make you feel when you see like the people around you that maybe doing something for the wrong reasons and you feel like, you know, it's not fair on people who actually just love acting?
How does it feel about that? Me loving acting?
Yeah, as and the people around you not loving acting as much, but you feel like, yeah, they're doing it, ज़्यादा मशहूरी मिल जाएगी, नाम हो जाएगा.
I think it's their personal call. हर इंसान का एक अपना सोचने का तरीका होता है and अपने हर एक की अपनी personal call होती है. But for me, I've always believed in hard work. I've always believed that अगर आपको recognition मिलती है so it's entirely because of your work. And in the longer run, if you want to succeed, if you want to uh, make it big. So you just have to, be good at your work. So this has been my mindset since day one, and till date, I don't undermine being on social media. I don't undermine social media at all. And but for me, uh, my thought process is slightly different from that of others. I've always believed in becoming a better individual, a better actor with every single day. And so that I could, and I've always worked on my range as an actor so that I can play different, various, versatile characters. So I think it's just about approach and your personal mindset and your personal call. You want to be famous, so you will have strategies accordingly. And if you want to be best, and if you want to hone your craft and hone your skill, so you will obviously take decisions accordingly. So it's just like that.
Mm-hmm. Bilal, like you mentioned about social media, what is your relationship with social media? Because personally, I think it's like it's quite complicated, you know, social media in 2020 and how it affects young people, especially people that are very vulnerable, and there is a huge influence that you as actors have on them.
That's true. My relationship with social media is actually very complicated. Because as I said, I don't undermine being on social media, and I don't look down upon social media at all. I think it's one of the most important medium to communicate with your audience, to know your fans, and your fans can know you most importantly. But for me, maybe I just don't. I can't post every single day.
Mm,
That's not me.
mm.
I can't because
Just आज मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ, कल मैं ये लाते ले रहा
मैंने ये खाया. I never judge anyone for
हूँ.
doing such things, but I'm very private as a person. I've been like that since beginning. So social media पे मुझे समझ नहीं आता है कि मैं क्या post करूं. And if I have to post something, then I'm always thinking for, okay, this is the picture that I'm going to upload. So let's just think about a very good caption. And for next 2 3 hours, I'm thinking about caption in my head. Okay, I'm going to upload this. अच्छा ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. Okay, ये कर लेता हूँ. So just to avoid that, and सोशल मीडिया पे आई थिंक अब जिस तरह का हो गया, लाइक आप एक ओपिनियन देते हो एंड उस पे सबके अपने अपने ओपिनियंस आ जाते हैं, एंड एवरीवन इज लाइक जजिंग यू, एंड सब यहाँ पे आपको एक ही दिन में इतना, और मुझे ज्यादा शोर से और ज्यादा जहाँ पे लोग हो, मुझे बहुत घबराहट होती है. सो मेरा दैट्स व्हाई इट माय रिलेशनशिप विद सोशल मीडिया इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड,
But it's
एंड
quite
ट्राइंग टू मेक इट
refreshing.
better, but I'm struggling.
No, but I think that's quite refreshing to talk to someone who's not obsessed with social media and is not posting every day, especially in your line of work. Bilal, आपने ये भी जैसे आपने अभी कहा कि you're a private person, also मैंने ये भी सुना है कि you're quite introverted और आप कहते हैं आप जैसे थोड़े sensitive भी हैं. तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, इस इंडस्ट्री में how do you navigate behind the scenes? क्योंकि जैसे sensitive तो मैं भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है. You know, I'm still trying to get a thick skin. वैसे ही लाइफ में मुश्किल होता है, यू नो. मैं भी जब लोगों को देखती हूँ और वो इतने जैसे सेंसिटिव नहीं होते, ओवरथिंक नहीं करते, मैं आई काइंड ऑफ रियली लाइक, आई एम लाइक वाओ, लाइफ इज सो इजी फॉर यू. बट जो थोड़ा सोचते हैं, जो दिल पे बातें लेते हैं, दुनिया में तो वैसे ही मुश्किल है, शोबिज में तो डबल मुश्किल हो जाता है, तो आप कैसे नेविगेट करते हैं?
Well, it has been difficult for me and ये चीज़ थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं आपको बैकलैश जरूर पहुंचाती है, बिकॉज जब आप सेंसिटिव होते हो आप चीज़ों को बहुत छोटी छोटी बातें आपको फील हो जाती हैं.
जी.
एंड I've learned a lot from
हम्म.
my own personal experiences that first of all, I always say this thing to everyone: just be who you are and be yourself. Don't try to change yourself, your inner self, for anyone. And agar someone is trying to like push you down, and if someone is trying to make you feel that you can't achieve anything, so just there's no one who can tell you that. It's
हम्म.
your personal will, it's your personal hard work, it's your personal dedication, your passion, which will take you forward. So I've always believed in that. And sensitive होना कहीं ना कहीं I think मुझको ये benefit देता है to act. मैं
हम्म.
क्योंकि I think ये मेरी एक अब मैं समझता हूँ. पहले I used to think that it's not my best quality and ये मेरी कोई एक खामी में से है.
जी.
एंड मैं हमेशा इस चीज़ को बड़ा हाइड किया करता था कि एक तो लड़कों पे सूट नहीं करता ना सेंसिटिव होना, इमोशनल होना.
Yeah, I know, I
तो
understand. वही है
या
वो bad boy
तो
image.
बट मुझे लगता है अब ये मेरा एक टूल है एंड जिसको आई कैन यूज whenever I have to act. So it makes my job very easy because I feel a lot. मैं हर चीज फील करता हूँ.
Yeah.
So
मुझे
it
लगता है
makes my
इस वजह से आपकी ऑडियंस आपको बहुत पसंद करती है बिलाल, क्योंकि आप इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली इमोशनल और इंट्रोवर्ट हो और आप सेंसिटिव हो के आई थिंक मैं तो लड़कियों की बात कर रही हूँ, लड़कियां बड़ा पसंद करेंगी क्योंकि बहुत दफा लड़के इतने ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं होते ना अपनी फीलिंग्स के साथ या बताने में. सो इट्स वेरी नाइस टू hear you be vocal about that side of your personality as well. बिलाल, मैंने आपसे ये पूछना था, आपका ये बहुत बड़ा एक्साइटिंग वेब सीरीज आ रही है, एक झूठी सी लव स्टोरी. उसका मैंने ट्रेलर देखा है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि जैसे हम जिस पैंडेमिक में हैं, बहुत मजा आएगा इसको देखने में ऑन Z5 पे और स्ट्रीमिंग सर्विस पे, कि एक मीठी सी और थोड़ी जैसे इनोसेंट सी भी और एक लाइट सा एक वेब सीरीज है फ्रॉम व्हाट आई कैन टेल फ्रॉम द ट्रेलर. तो आपका जो कैरेक्टर है बिलाल, इट सीम्स लाइक this character is slightly like maybe insecure, maybe has a bit of an inferiority complex. So I wanted to ask you, लड़के होंगे around the world, पाकिस्तान में, इंग्लैंड, जैसे हम इंग्लैंड में, अमेरिका, हर जगह, maybe they are a bit insecure. उनको लगता है वो जो उनकी ideal लड़की है, ड्रीम गर्ल है, वो हमें नहीं मिलेगी, she's out of our league, इस किस्म का. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि हमारे व्यूअर्स को, जितने भी लड़के देख रहे हैं जो ये चुपचाप इस तरह फील करते हैं, उनको आप क्या एडवाइस देंगे?
मैं उनको यही एडवाइस दूंगा दैट आपके पास जो है आप उसमें खुश रहें.
Yeah.
एंड बी रियल. आई थिंक लाइफ आपको जैसी भी लाइफ मिलती है, आप it's best to fight with your own insecurities and to accept it, most importantly, rather than running away from it. And when you try to run away from your own personal insecurities and complexes, and that's when you take such decisions and such things. So मैं उनको ये एडवाइस दूंगा that be strong, be happy, and just you know just be happy in whatever you have. And happiness is what आप खुद तलाश करते हो.
जी.
कम में भी आप खुश रह सकते हो. It's like that.
तो हैप्पीनेस, what does that mean to you बिलाल? क्योंकि हैप्पीनेस एक ऐसा इमोशन है जो थोड़ा बहुत लोगों को मुश्किलों से मिलता है, चाहे बहुत लोग होंगे जिनके पास ऐसी चीजें होंगी जिससे आप सोचेंगे इनको तो इतना खुश होना चाहिए, इनको ये मिला है, ये हुआ है. आप कैसे खुश हैं?
Sorry, आपका सवाल I didn't hear you properly.
मैंने कहा आप किस तरह खुश रहते हैं, how do you try to stay happy?
How I try to stay happy? I'm always happy, Alhamdulillah. I'm always happy. Obviously, life में जो problems हो रही होती हैं, but as I said, I've learned a lot from my personal own experiences, and I've realized that there are certain things which are in your control, and there are certain things which, no matter what, how hard you try, and अपनी side से जितना कोशिश कर लो, there are things जो कि nature के accordingly होंगी कुछ. And हर चीज आपके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो सकती है. So best what you can do for yourself is just to be honest with your life, honest with your work, and honest with people around, and just try to be positive inside out. जब आप अंदर से पॉजिटिव होते हो तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट करता है आपके पर्सनालिटी पे, वो रिफ्लेक्ट, अगर आप एक्टर हो तो वो मुझे लगता है वो रिफ्लेक्ट करता है आपकी स्क्रीन पे, आपके काम पे. So
I have a last question for you, Bella, before we wrap this up. And is, can you tell us one fun memory or one fond memory that you have from the sets of Ek Jhuti Love Story?
there are many actually, but I can't recall of any one specific because I'm the most boring person to ask this question because I've always been sets पे. एक तो my working days was 30, 35, and during those working days, I'm someone who's always been sitting idhar, so and it was so like professional sort of environment. And मेरा जितना काम था वो majority अकेला है. वो ज़्यादा, it wasn't like with everyone a lot. Either they were doing scenes of my UPS shop or my home. So it was very simple, very generic. तो जो थोड़ा बहुत जो हंसी मजाक हो रहा होता है वही था. It was कुछ ऐसा, obviously हमने बहुत चीजें experience की हैं मजे मजे की, but अभी I just can't come out of any experience right now.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Bella, for your time, and I wish you all the best for your project.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks, Rida.
Okay, bye.